Hi guys, welcome to this session in Google Sheets. In this module, I want to show you how you can create a chart based on multiple sheets, two different ways of doing it. So the first way, and probably the easiest way, is to get a total sheet and use the sum function to pull the data from the other sheets. So if I just quickly look at the other sheets, got north, some sales data there, south, east and west. So the sum function, if you go across to the toolbar at the top there, these three ellipses, if you might be able to see it already, but if you can't, it's there. Sum, and click on sum, and then it's waiting for you to select the values. So go to north in this case, click on the value, the first one. Now the little help that came up suggested a comma. I do want a comma because I'm not selecting a range. Comma, that will allow me to select south, same cell, comma, east, comma, west, and then I can just press enter on that. That's what I want, and then it will fill in the figures. I've already formatted this to pounds, and then I can pull that down like so, and then I can highlight this data, go insert chart, and see what it gives me. So it's given me a pie chart. You've got the option there of changing that chart. You don't need to have a pie chart. I don't want a pie chart. I'd rather have this column chart. So column chart, and just make that a little bit smaller. And then you can just sort of move this underneath the data and come back up. Now if you want the data labels and things like that, you have to come down. I'm on customize, and then data labels, you can just stick them on there like that. So that's one way of doing it. Now if I delete this chart off completely, so the second way to create a chart would be this. Don't highlight any data, just go insert chart, and then it just comes up with a blank screen. So what you have to do is add the data range. So at the minute it's looking at E7. So if I click on that, I can get rid of E7, delete that, go down to north, highlight those three figures, add another range, go down to south, highlight those three figures, add another range, and keep doing it like that. This is how you can just select things from different sheets. Add another range, go to west, highlight the range, click OK. Let's see what that does. Okay, it's not great, but you've got the information from multiple sheets, same sort of stuff. 4 sheets, 4 different sets of figures. Again, you can add the labels if you want. What you don't get here though, it automatically getting these labels in there. So you can see in the first example, because I pulled it through with a formula, all of this stuff was sitting on the chart. Now I have to faff about a bit to try and get that onto this chart. So in my view, that is probably the easiest way. Do the formula first and then link it up there, rather than trying to grab data like I've just done there in this second example. But that's all I want to talk about in this little video. How you can grab data from multiple sheets and create a chart based on the results. So hopefully that was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you later.